Hello guys and welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to turn on Facebook Protect. Facebook Protect is a security feature that helps protect your Facebook account from unauthorized access and malicious activities. So to turn on Facebook Protect, you can follow these steps. First thing you're gonna do is open your Facebook app on your mobile device and then make sure that you are logged in to your account. Then scroll down and press on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings and scroll down and go to Security and Login. Now you can see here at the top Facebook Protect. So mine is already on. So if you are not yet turned on, just make it turned on. And just follow the on-screen instruction to help set up Facebook Protect, which may include enabling two-factor authentication, setting up alerts for unauthorized access attempts, and reviewing your login activity. So this is advanced security program and it will help you defend your account. So that's it. Once you've turned on your Facebook Protect, your account will be secure and you will be alerted of any unauthorized access attempts. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks!